All right guys, today we're going to be working on our heater hose connectors. They're both supposed to look like that. I had one break off. Real common issues with these Chevy trucks. This is my heater hoses. They normally go over there. I have a 1/2-inch socket that I used as a coupling to get me home. Still holding water. Drove it today to work like that, so that's a proven fix if any of you need to get home. We're gonna replace these with Dorman heater hose connectors. So these ones are stainless steel, so hopefully they won't break apart like these plastic ones do. So we're gonna toss these on here. So you're gonna need 2 of them, and you're gonna need a quick disconnect tool, 5/8 for those lines. If you don't have this, this is gonna be a real pain, so get one. All right, got our first one. You just have to slip this tool facing the back side of the connector. So if this is the back side, this will slip in. Now the other one, probably gonna be a little more difficult. Alright, got her. Alright, side by side comparison, they definitely look way more quality. They have a little rubber seal on the inside right here, which I'm sure this one would have to as well, but yeah, it should just snap on there. I'm gonna put a little lube on the back side right here. And just like that, should just pop on. Now we're just gonna take our quick fix off and slap those hoses back on there. Let's see if our socket is rusted. Oh, it looks great. Just cleaned it. There she is. 1/2-inch Husky socket. Save the day. Alright, hoses are on. We're just gonna top her off with some water. I'm not gonna waste the antifreeze until I know there's no leak. Alright, we're gonna start the truck. So we are circulating water and we are not leaking. Alright guys, took this thing on a pretty good test drive. It's not leaking anywhere. I'll run that water out, get some new coolant, top her off. I would recommend, it looks pretty quality, not leaking. I believe they were $20 each on Amazon. So $40 for the set. I think it's worth it. These guys, you can get 2 of them for about $20 on Amazon. So I would definitely recommend trying these stainless ones if this happens to you. So thanks for watching guys. Make sure to hit that like and subscribe, and see you on the next one.